Hey folks, today is March the 24th. As mentioned last week in the previous weekly update review, I'm going to take a look at the bank secret indicator this week. Didn't want to do any trading on Monday, but I'm thinking between maybe today, tomorrow, and Thursday, we might be able to get some forward testing done here and see how things look. Let's do a quick run through and see if we have any potential trades coming up. All right, so definitely right here. As you guys can see, we are already pushing into this level of support. So that might be a nice little buy to take. Let's keep on moving here. We'll also be able to see if things repaint. Somebody did mention that the indicator repaint, so we'll see if we can catch that on video or not. But as I see opportunities to jump in with the EA, I'll definitely do that. Looks like our first trade is going to be with the pound dollar. This just has to go down a little bit more and we'll be in this trade. And there it is. That's odd. I'm not sure why it's not showing the stop and take profit levels, but either way, we can see that they're right here. And right there. So we'll leave that be and see what happens. The market pushed into this level. We took a trade and we'll see if it comes up to our take profit right here. All right, I'll be back shortly. Almost forgot, I wanted to give you guys some information on the webinar that Blue Edge Financial had a few days ago. It's about this new G7 expert advisor. It's going to be free to anybody that has a Blue Edge Financial membership. And let's check this recap they posted here. All right, last night's webinar was amazing. In case you missed it, I'm going to give you a quick recap. You can catch the replay here. It's about 40 minutes. All right, naturally hedges itself by trading 7 different currency pairs. Uses a 1-to-1 risk-to-reward ratio on average. And a product that's withstood the largest market crashes like 2008 and 2020. We ran tests on this and it's been profitable every year since 2004. Of course, you all answer yes. Heck yes, I'd like to try that. Now, originally we had created this product for a private hedge fund partner of ours and had no intention of releasing it to the public. So basically, they're going to be giving us this expert advisor for free. Like I said, to anybody that's already a member or that becomes a member. So once I get that set up, or once they get it set up for me, I'll start introducing that in the Friday weekly update reviews as well. All right. As I said before, I'll be back and we'll see what happens with this trade. All right, just wanted you guys to come back and see the market is really pushing up. And right now we're up about 18 pips. 26 pips is where our take profit is. I'm not exactly sure where we should be taking profit with this EA. Or excuse me, with this with this expert advisor here. That's putting these levels up. So it's something we're going to have to watch. All right, so right now it looks like our stop is about 32. And let's change that to about 25. Just so it's a little closer. And we can bring our, if it lets me click it. All right, so I guess that's pretty close. It's right at about 25 as well, so we'll leave that where it is. So now we have 1-to-1 risk to reward. And we'll see if it can push up a little bit more. There's a part of me that's saying just go ahead and take this bit of profit, since we're already up about 18 pips. But this is just a test. Even if we take a loss, we'll be able to see if these levels change at all. All right, so we're getting a little pullback here, so I'll come back momentarily. All right, folks, it looks like another trade just got entered, Euro AUD. And actually, this looks like it might be getting close to a setup as well. If this pulls up to this level, I definitely like to jump into that trade, just based on the divergence of the situation. All right, let's come over here and take a look at this trade. As you guys can see, we had our buy order right here. And likewise, we'll go ahead and put in a take profit and a stop. All right, let's check out that GBP USD trade again. All right, well, it definitely looks like it wants to keep pushing up here. So we'll keep watching it and see what happens. This could be very interesting if we get a little push up here. All right, let me go ahead and pause it, and I'll come back if we get entered into this trade. All right, folks, very close to getting entered on this trade, and we just got entered right here. You can see USD Japanese Yen, so we're expecting the market to drop. Let's go ahead and put a stop up here and put a take profit down here. All right, looks like we're down about $16 on the Euro AUD. Let's take a look at that one. So that is pushing down towards our stop here. So we'll see what happens with that. If this comes down into this buying zone, we'll definitely jump into that one as well. But for this trade, let's go ahead and put something here. Just so we have an idea. All right, so getting inching closer and closer to that stop loss, so we'll see what happens. And we'll be able to tell after this video is done, because I'm not going to be able to remember, obviously, where each one of these zones are. So we'll see after the fact, after we go back and watch the video, if any of these zones disappeared. For example, for this one right here, USD Japanese Yen, I don't recall if there was a zone right here or not, but I'm thinking there might have been. Again, could be wrong. Just looking at so many different charts, it's hard to recall exactly where they were. All right, so right here, we're going to place a buy and a limit. So if the market does come here back into this area, we'll jump in. All right, I'm going to go ahead and pause it here, and I'll come back once we have some sort of development. All right, folks, just another quick update here. Looks like we have gotten entered into another trade. Let's see what that was. So Euro USD, looks like our buy order got filled there. So we'll go ahead and place a stop down here and buy up here, or excuse me, a take profit up here. And actually, this is getting pretty close to our stop, I think, Euro AUD. Let's take a look at that. All right, so yeah, that's definitely still pushing down and getting very close to our stop here. We're actually about 34 pips in the red, and this is a 5-minute chart. So we'll keep watching it and see what happens here. All right, this trade right here, this USD Japanese Yen, where is that? Right here. All right, it looks like it's now starting to create a level here. I'm gonna have to come back after the video gets done and rewatch this, because I'm pretty sure there was a level here before I took this trade. So I'm guessing that might have disappeared. All right, Euro USD. And again, I'm pretty sure there was a level here. Where is it at? I'm going to have to rewatch the video, but I'm pretty sure the reason I took this trade is because there was a level right here or somewhere around here, and not that it's just now creating a level. Let's keep on floating through. Euro USD. We know there's a level right here. All right, this trade, that level's still there. But we're getting very close to a stop out on the Euro AUD trade. Again, that level's right here. We get another push down, that'll probably take us out. Trying to keep an eye on these levels, because if the market pushes through it and that disappears, then that's a problem for me. Same here. All right, I'll be back momentarily. All right, folks, just wanted to give you guys a quick update here. What I've decided to do is go ahead and just mark the levels. As you guys can see here, we put a little square around that buy zone. Same here, put a little square around that buy zone. So if we do, or if it does disappear, we'll know for certain. And this Euro UAD trade, I wish I had done that earlier. I didn't think about it till just now. So after we watch the video, I'll put it in the comment section or either in the description section whether or not the indicator is repainting. Someone already told me that it is, but I just like to confirm things for myself, and this way you guys can also see for yourselves as well, or rather actually see it in real time. All right, I'll be back momentarily. Trying to wait and see if this is going to stop me out here, but it's taking its sweet time, so we'll see. All right, guys, our GBP USD trade is pushing up nicely towards profit. Obviously, that's a good thing. You can see here it's currently up about $18, and this trade has this Euro AUD trade. It's starting to push back up towards our break-even level. And as always, what I'm really interested in seeing is if these things or these trades go against us, if these levels disappear. All right, we'll keep an eye on it. All right, guys, we're getting very close. As you guys can see, the market is pushed up to within a few pips of our take profit. We're at $25 in profit right now. Price is 17270, and our take profit is 17289. So once this passes 89, we should be taken out of the trade here. So we'll just keep watching it and see what happens. And if at all possible, I'd like to catch it here. All right, so we just got taken out of the trade, as you guys saw. Very nice. Euro USD, we're getting close over there as well. Very close to getting taken out of this trade for about a 16 or 17 pip profit. And even though that did happen, even though we took that profit, which is nice, if it's erasing our signals, if they don't go in the direction that the EA wanted it to, then obviously that's not a good thing for me. Try to avoid things that repaint like that. And let's see here. It looks like another trade just got hit. Yep, right here. So the market went up, touched it, and took us out of that trade. So we're now in two trades here, the Euro AUD and the USD Japanese Yen. I'll check on this one again once we get above $20 in the red. And obviously, if we push up into this level, I'll look at taking a short trade there. If we come back down into this, I'll take a buy trade. Same here. All right, we're about 8 pips away from having our profit target hit there. I'll go ahead and pause it and I'll come back hopefully once these last 2 trades close out, and we'll see what's happened. I'm anxious to rewatch this video so I can see if any of these boxes disappeared, specifically on this USD Japanese Yen trade, because I'm pretty sure I wouldn't have gotten into this trade unless there was a red box right here. So we'll be patient and watch. All right, Euro AUD is getting close again. All right, I'll be back momentarily. All right, guys, we just got taken out of this trade, so we got one more to go, and then I'll end this video, and we can see what's happened. And that's the USD Japanese Yen trade here. All right, so 17 pip take profit, about 15 pip stop. If we check account history, we can see Euro AUD. We took that loss right there. And there's our GBP USD win. And here's our Euro USD win. All right, I'll be back. All right, guys, getting very close. Hopefully, I'll be able to catch the market going through our profit target here. You can see our take profit is at 0.224. We're currently at 0.240. So we just need a little bit of a push down, and we'll be out of this trade. And of course, it starts going back up. All right, so as you guys just saw, our last trade, which is right here, USD Japanese Yen, you can see we took $16 in profit on that one. So overall, we did end up in profit today. Just going back through here real quick. It looks like we're coming down into this level. Tempted to take that trade. All right, I'm going to go ahead and end it here. That way I can rewatch the video and see if any of our boxes have disappeared. All right, see you guys on the next update. Take care.